My name is Nsikan Ikpe, your Microsoft MVP. Today I'm going to just show you a quick way to turn on your ability to publish your agents once you are done creating agents. Sometimes you create an agent, but you find it difficult to publish. What could be the issue? Let me show you. So we'll go right into Power Platform Admin Center, admin.powerplatform. Microsoft. Once you're there, I know I was already there, but I just want to go back so that I can show you how to get to where I was. Alright, so I'm right here in my Power Platform Admin Center. That is where you have the Copilot settings. Anything that has to do with Copilot, Dataverse, Power Apps, you can do them at Power Platform. So you go to Manage, click on Manage, Tenant Settings. So this settings is at the tenant level. So you want to make sure that you grant yourself, if you're the admin, the right to be able to publish your agents. Otherwise, you will be stuck at the point where you can't publish. Okay? So once you click on agents, you wait for it to load. Alright, so I'm right here in my tenant settings. Scroll down to where you have Copilot Studio Authors. Alright, so you click on Copilot Studio Authors. So currently, I have a security group. There's a video I made on how to create security group and apply the same security group to your environment, your Copilot Studio environment. So I'm just quickly going to add that security group. It's called Copilot Security Access. Alright, so once I add that, everyone in the security group has the ability to publish their agents once they create their agent. So that's what I wanted to show you. Very quick stuff that can mess things up for you or help you get things done. Alright, so let's see the details. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so this is it. I'm gonna edit. Okay, I'll leave things to be the way they are. This is good. So with this, you're able to publish your agents. See you in some other videos where I'll teach you how to create agents in Copilot Studio. Bye. I remain your MVP, Nsikan.